What are you guessing, Lamborghini? 510, 500, 480?
I'm gonna say 480.
You're gonna go 480? If she ain't 480, she ain't a lady. I'm gonna do 510. Why not, right? I doubt it has a 520 in it. Could be wrong though. That probably would be
Sell your new house. You're so much lower than normal.
I know. It's fucking sick. Dyno. Dynamometer. Dynamometer mode. Functional, not activated. Activated. Do it. Yes. Activated. Thanks, pal.
My camera got so hot from it. More than we thought.
Does this thing have a tune on it or no?
I don't know.
No, I don't think so. Done. Damn, identical. Identical. Within a tenth of a horsepower identical. That's fucking crazy.
Is it the green? Oh, you can barely see a difference. There's almost not enough pixels on there for.
Hold on. Yeah, let me. 2 horsepower, 2 horsepower. Then up here it's like a tenth. Well, that's a horsepower. A tenth of a horsepower. Damn. 1 horsepower. 2 horsepower. 2 horsepowers.
Tom makes more though.
Tom makes more.
I'm using it for the Supercharger right now. Yeah. I literally bought it to put the Supercharger on. I just said my bitch can borrow, call.
All right, what's your guess?
656, maybe. 636. 0.3.
Pretty close to what we were saying.
I know we undershot it, but a nice 120 horsepower or 116 horsepower game with like 140 horsepower in the mid range and then like 120 foot-pounds in spots, and then top kind of. I'm just showing like where it picked up. There's 160 horsepower over there, and then up top is about 120. Yeah.
Great tuning, Kevin.
No. Nice.
You did good today.
Nice to see the pants feel.